For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Nepal's ruling Communist Party's crucial standing committee meeting has been postponed until Wednesday. The meeting was supposed to be held to decide Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli's future. The Nepal Prime Minister's press advisor said that the meeting was postponed to Wednesday. The reason for the postponement is not made public. On Saturday as well, the meeting was postponed to Monday. The meeting was postponed as the top leaders of the Nepal Communist Party required more time to forge an understanding of the issues in hand. The crucial meeting of the NCP's 45-member standing committee was scheduled to be held on Monday. The meeting was expected to decide whether to oust PM KP Sharma Oli from one of the two positions he holds at present, party's chairman and the Prime Minister. Top NCP leaders including former Prime Minister Pushpa Kamal Dahal have demanded Prime Minister Oli's resignation. They demanded his resignation in the light of his recent anti-India remarks. The top leader said his comments were neither politically correct nor diplomatically appropriate. Nepal PM KP Sharma Oli held a cabinet meeting on Saturday. In the meeting, he told the party members of Nepali Communist Party that the party's unity was at stake. He claimed that plots are being hatched against him and President Bidya Devi Bhandari. At the party meeting, he asked the party members to be prepared for anything.
The party's unity is at stake. Anything can happen. Be prepared. Plots are being hatched against me and the president. This might result in me taking forceful decisions. So, you all now need to clear your stance and be prepared.
Nepal PM's remarks came amid escalating rift in the Nepal Communist Party. Nepal PM Oli is at loggerheads with Pushpa Kamal Dahal, also known as Prachanda. Prachanda is the co-chairman of the Nepali Communist Party. The Prime Minister had accused him of hatching a conspiracy in New Delhi to topple Oli's regime last month.
The activity in Delhi, a certain section of politics in Nepal, and their collaboration is meant to dislodge me for my stance on the border dispute. Nobody should think they will succeed in dislodging me, and Prachanda said at a meeting of the party's standing committee last week. It was a mistake on my part to have given up on the turn-by-turn Prime Minister agreement.
They say that Oli had only worked to fulfill his personal interests. Oli, who accused India of planning his ouster, is also under fire for not speaking up on China's encroachment on the Nepalese territory. There have been reports that Oli was hatching plans to split the party. At least 3 ministers of NCP have contested Oli's statements about the conspiracy to impeach him and the president. Besides Pushpa Kamal, other senior leaders including Madhav Kumar Nepal and Jhalnath Khanal also slammed PM Oli. Chinese ambassador to Nepal, Ho Yanqi, met senior leaders of the Nepali Communist Party on Sunday evening. Party members said Ho Yanqi also met the president, Bidya Devi Bhandari, on Sunday amid political crisis in Nepal.